Hello guys, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to meet top 5 champion barista and coffee roaster. Are you also one of those people who need at least a cup of coffee a day? I'm not gonna lie, but I've already lost count of how many cups of coffee that I drink each day. We'll be visiting all these award-winning barista by chronological order starting from 2004. Now, without further ado, let's go! Number 3. Café Ziranxing. What determines the taste of a cup of coffee? 30% depends on the beans. Mr. Lai Yuquan was a self-taught coffee roaster who was the only and first Taiwanese who won the World Coffee Roasting Championship. Today, we're here at his first coffee place, Café Ziranxing. Let's go take a look. Mr. Lai sees coffee roasting as the most important mission. From raw coffee beans to a cup of rich taste coffee, each step in the process needs to be very precise. Bean selecting, blending, coffee cupping, all these are key factors for a fine coffee. In his quest to perfection and consistency, he finally showed the world Taiwanese competitive roasting skill. Having a cup of coffee here in Café Ziranxing, not only would you get to taste it, but the owner, Mr. Lai, would also insist to take you into the coffee world by telling you the story of coffee and explaining the taste. He believes that only through talking to your customers will you really understand their needs and wants. So if you're looking for a new experience of coffee, come to Café Ziranxing to know more about coffee.